I'm going to teach you something, and absolutely do not do this as a joke. Do not do this as playing around, because it is very dangerous. I'm not teaching you this to do evil. I'm teaching you this for a survival situation. So please, do not try this at home. Do not play with nobody with this technique, because it is deadly. It's not for practical jokes. It is 100% serious. Only when you are required to use a lethal method. So now that I put that warning out there, and I'm telling you, do not play with this. Okay, you get you a big zip tie. It's a redneck assassination, okay? You get you a big zip tie. You have an enemy that has done you harm, attacked your mag team, someone that has done evil, and you need to take them out quietly. You get you a large zip tie. You approach them from any way you can. The easiest way is to come up from behind them. You put that zip tie over their head to their throat and pull it tight. It's really that simple. When you put that zip tie over their head to their throat and pull it tight, they only have seconds. That's why you do not play. You do not play doing this. I hesitate even teaching this, but I know a lot of things, and for my subscribers, I really don't talk about current events and such. That's where you go to the Angry Prepper, because he talks about current events and what's happening, and you need to know that information. My channel, I'm just teaching you how to survive as if it has already went down. I live as if everything's already went down. I don't go to the grocery store. I don't do any of that. The only thing I do is stop by the gas station and get gas, which I have gas put back too. I got a whole video about that. I posted a year ago because I knew this was going to happen. You come up behind them and you put that zip tie around, have it already looped, put it around their head, pull it tight around their throat. In just a couple of seconds, they're going to pass out, and it's over. Their only hope, and this is why you need to carry a knife, many reasons, but this is just one. Their only hope is if they think quickly and get their knife and cut it off. If they don't have a knife, they're done. So do not do this playing around, because there's no coming back. And I'm only teaching you this for survival. A woman, it's really easy for a woman to do because men do not view women as threats. Most men do not. So she can bait him. You know, if you're a woman and a man is trying to force himself on you, and there's no one around to help you, because it seems like now you can be surrounded by 100 people, and all they're going to do is just take out their phone and video it instead of helping you. Which, shame on you if you do that. If you're a real man, you're going to help that woman. They don't nobody mess with no woman around me. But you just pull that zip, you go along with it and say, hey baby, you know, I'm not going to resist. I'm not going to fight you. He drops his guard. Drop that zip tie over his head. Pull it tight around his neck. And walk away. It's over. This is the All-America Prepper. Stay strapped. That's the ultimate getting strapped. Stay ready. Stay dangerous. And have a blessed day.